last time we did it, it was a bigger course. It was $297. We've had some people from there that have been successful. One of the ones we showed you earlier, which was over here in Meme Profits, he shared that he's doing $1,000 plus per month, I believe it was. Actually, he says he's made 1,000% more than what he paid for the course. So I think that's pretty legit, right? Is that typical, implied, or guaranteed? Of course not. The vast majority of people that go through courses and try to make money online make nothing. This class is going to be different from last year. We've learned a lot. We're adding AI. We're talking about more streamlined strategies.
Algorithms
more
change.
Exactly. And tell us what you've learned since then, just like a bridged version of what you learned and what you'll be sharing.
Yeah, because I've had several conversations with Facebook in the past year and a half. I've had issues with them, and we've been working on those issues because a lot of creators have had to deal with those as well. But we've learned worked together to address those issues, how to fix those issues, and what they're going to be focusing on in the months to come. So what you're really going to get to is also an insider view of what Facebook is going to be looking for from creators. It's not people guessing. It's what I've heard from them personally myself of what they're looking for, what they're trying to do, and what they're wanting from their creators. Um, it is changing. They are trying to compete. They are in a situation for themselves where they are still trying to battle with TikTok, even though it's a ban, and even not on just with TikTok, they're still trying to battle with Rumble and YouTube and all these other places as well. And they're highly invested in winning creators to come over to Facebook. So they really want creators to come here. They really want creators to come here that can keep people on their platform as well. So there's things that they changed that was working last year that's not going to work this year. There's new implements they're going to apply. There's new tools that are going to come and new strategies that they're going to be putting into place. And they're not going to let most of the people know that these are going to happen until that they know that they work. And they've got a lot of creators like myself where they're like, hey, we know you teach people. We know y'all have a good creator pool. This is the type of stuff we want y'all to go out there and put it out there. See if this actually works how we're wanting it to work. We're going to have those insights for you as well, just like how we do these tricks with the memes and how things they give us some of these workarounds as well. So you're going to get really inside. You're going to learn everything new. You're going to be able to stay on top of everything that is coming. And we're going to teach you not only why the algorithm is changing, but how the algorithm changes and how you can stay up to date when it's moving forward in the future. So you can figure out these tools and these techniques without always having to constantly wondering or guess if what you're doing is working, if you're shadow banned or all these other questions a lot of creators go with. You'll just know that, oh, I'm just not posting how Facebook is wanting me to post right now. And I kind of saw that with Jannar, I think. He's like, what should I post to get engagement with this fishing page? It's variable. It's just going to be, you got to know that there's these topics that go around fishing. I can start posting around these topics and then just see what actually resonates. Too many people will go out there. Sorry, excuse me. We'll go out there and be like, all right, I want to post this content. This is the content I'm gonna post. People's gonna like it. If they don't like it, there's something wrong with them. And it's like, no, you know the niche you want to be in that niche, put out a bunch of different type of content within that niche, see what works, see what people respond to, then hone in on that responsive